it's really loud. So I tapped the safety pin to stop the engine from blowing up. And I'll just wait for this to stop and I'll talk, okay? Okay, now that was pretty loud. So it's really wet here. Okay, this video, I'm gonna teach you things like the parts of a steam engine, out the back of it. But I'm not gonna do it. My assistant's expert about steam engines is. So come on. So tell us about this pump thing, the oil pump thing.
That's the lubricator.
So what does it do?
It's filled with oil and that lubricates parts of the engine. It's driven off the valve gear.
What does these three pipes do?
Those are the pipes that the oil goes down those to the various parts of the engine and at the other side.
So what's this big pipe do?
That is a vacuum pipe for the brakes.
Oh, okay. Is there sand inside there?
That's the sand box.
Yeah.
You fill that with sand and that runs down onto the track if it's stuck on the hill.
Okay. So
Number 87 is the fleet number.
So well, that's a loud whistle. So what are these things called again? Things which push animals off.
Cow catcher.
Cow catcher. It catches cows, right?
Well, yeah, cows and any sheep and
yeah.
pushes them out the way.
Pushing them out the way and yes.
That's enough.
Okay. Bye.